Introducing the Ultralift Freemount system, the next innovation from Ultralift that makes the cover lifter installation process even easier. It all hinges on this patent-pending system that eliminates the need for attaching your Ultralift cover lifter to your hot tub. Freestanding, made from corrosion-resistant aircraft aluminum, adjusts to the height of any hot tub. No more hot tub cabinet screw holes. Can be used for top mount or mid mount of your Ultralift cover lifter. Can be used with Ultralift standard mount, hydraulic mount, Vision mount, and boomerang cover lifters. The Ultralift Freemount system does not require any attaching to your hot tub, deck surface, or hot tub platform. It simply slides under your hot tub using the weight of the hot tub once filled with water to hold it in place. This easy-to-assemble and install system works with all types and styles of hot tubs, no matter their height or width, leaving your hot tub cabinet free of unsightly holes and the cabinet bearing the weight of your hardcover and cover lifter. This eliminates the need to replace cabinet panels if you ever choose to change your cover lifter system or sell your hot tub. What will we think of next? Ask your retailer about the Ultralift Freemount system today, giving your hot tub experience the best lift ever.